Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial video to help you guys fix a problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can buy crypto under Coinbase mobile. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm gonna be showing. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question relating this video, you can ask us in the comment. And if you want to sign up into Coinbase, you guys can use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Coinbase. Now with that out of the way, first step, after you open the app, you can see the plus icon with buy written on it. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can search the crypto which you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy Ethereum for this video. I can click Ethereum, or rest the search, I can search for Ethereum, but it's shown over here, so I click on it. So after you click on it, it's gonna take you to the page where you guys can buy it. But since I have not yet verified my Coinbase account, it's not allowing me to buy it. So first, you guys should also verify your Coinbase account, and once you click on the crypto you want to buy, it's gonna take you to the section where you guys can enter the amount. After you enter the amount of Ethereum you want to buy, click on buy, and your Ethereum will be bought. So that's basically how you guys can buy Ethereum in Coinbase. That's one way. The other way is at the bottom you can see trade. Click on it, and at the top where it says search, you can search for it. So I'm gonna search Ethereum, ETH, and Ethereum is gonna be shown over here now. As you guys can see, Ethereum, so I click on it and it's gonna bring me over here. So it shows me the current price in NPR. So I click on trade and I click on buy ETH. And as you guys see, I have not yet verified my account, but if I had verified my account, it's gonna take me to the place where I can enter the amount and buy Ethereum. But yeah, just verify your account and follow the step which I just did, and you should be able to buy Ethereum successfully, or any other crypto. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step for future videos like this, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.